Hey everyone, it's Dan at Nate Wade Subaru. Today I'm showing you how to adjust the clock settings either on your 18 or newer Crosstrek or 17 or newer Impreza. These cars are very similar on the inside. They're basically the same car once you get in them. So changing your clock should work exactly the same. If you're looking how to change your clock either on a Forester or Outback or Legacy, I've got other videos showing you how to do that. I'll put a link somewhere in here that you can click on and see how to change your clock there. But let's look at your Crosstrek and Impreza and how to do that. So the first thing you're going to want to look at is your clock settings. So if you go to your home screen and then hit your settings button right here, and then click vehicle, and your car has to be on to be able to click vehicle. Then you can scroll down here, or right at the top here, clock adjustment. So you can see right now it's on manual. So if I go in there, auto, if you have GPS in the car, sorry my finger's in the way. If you click on auto and you have GPS in the car, it's going to use your navigation to, depending on where you are and what time zone you're in, it's going to adjust your clock accordingly. So if you have GPS, I would highly recommend just do auto. If you don't have GPS, what that does is it goes off the time on your phone. You can see option to synchronize a satellite/smartphone. So if it's on auto and you connect to your phone via Bluetooth, it's also going to adjust the time on your phone. But if you're on manual, if you just like setting your clock, then I'm going to show you how you can adjust those settings right over here on your steering wheel. Okay, so to change the clock in your Crosstrek or Impreza, you're going to be using a couple different buttons. First is this info button. What you're going to do with the info button is you're going to press this until this screen up here above your head unit looks like, hold on as I shuffle through these, until you get this screen that says push and hold info button for selection screen. So once I get here, then I'm going to press and hold that same info button and you're going to see a menu come up. First of all, you're going to see time and date. So if I use the arrows below that info button now to use the middle button to select, the up and down arrow to scroll through the menu. So I pull the middle button to select time and date, one more time, and then I can scroll through here using the up and down arrows. I'm going to leave the date the way it is. You can adjust military time or just 12-hour format, which I think most of us are used to. And then here's our clock. So to change the time, you're first going to select the hour and then go up or down. So if I want to do 3 something, I'm going to turn it to 3, then hit select. And then I'm going to scroll down one more time, select the minutes, and go up or down with that. And then select. One thing that's super important, once you've finished setting your time, you're going to want to go to set and select set. That's going to save your settings so that it's going to show up that way on your screen. Okay, so hopefully that's helpful. You've got the right time, you are prepared for daylight savings, and if you have any questions, you're more than free to come in and would be glad to adjust your clock for you if you're still having trouble with it. If you would like to watch other videos like this, I'll put links to those in here. You'll be able to click on them, watch whatever videos you'd like, and learn all about your new Subaru. Thanks for watching and hope to see you soon. Please like or subscribe if you want to see other videos like this. Alright, thanks.